going on, everyone? Got a 2015 GMC Terrain. Today we are going to replace the remote key battery. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the key like that, and this panel right here is the one we're going to take off. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver in the slot here. We're going to use this slot and the flathead screwdriver like this to go ahead and pry this panel up and off. Okay, kind of here it's full of all kinds of like dirt and crap, but you can see how it's starting to come off like this. All right, you can see how it's split right there. Open her up and just pull this panel right off. Okay, you know, watch out, the battery wants to jump right out, like right away. There's not much holding it in. So I can go ahead and just pull this guy right out without dropping it. All right, get a new battery, and I'll show you what size we're working with. And here's the new battery, and the size is a CR2032. It's a Panasonic battery, and notice it has the positive sign here on the front of it, and it's going to stay facing us. We're going to put it back in. We just put it back in just like that. It doesn't click or anything, it just kind of stays in there. If you need one of these batteries, check the description box. I have a link to Amazon where you can get another Panasonic battery if you want one. But we just get the cover and snap it on, close the key up, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you like. Drop me a comment. See you guys in the next video.